Hi everyone. So today Scott and I decided to actually come down to Miami and take a boat ride, as we promised you that until we get a boat we'll figure out a way to enjoy the days on the water. And this boat ride, which is going to be this boat, not here where it says fishing, but the one next to it, it's called Bayside, and it's going to do a 1.5 hour celebrity cruise on Key Biscayne. This is the boat here. So it's got a little bit of covered up top. For the most part, it's got some indoor, but it's had a little bit of shade, and see what it's all about. What was a little confusing is that we bought the tickets on Viator, whatever you call it. Then we took the train down to Miami. The train, then we got off. We walked from the central station to the marketplace. This is the Bayside Marketplace, and trying to find the check-in was not easy. And we walked all through this marketplace, which is huge, and finally Scott was able to find a spot, and he is actually
The Bayside Tours Mansions of Miami Beach Sightseeing Cruise is a unique bilingual tour which offers an unparalleled opportunity to explore the mesmerizing beauty of Biscayne Bay, while also getting an exclusive glimpse into the luxurious lifestyle of Miami's elite. You'll navigate through beautiful waters and be captivated by the panoramic views of Miami's skyline, the vibrant port of Miami, and the secluded Fisher Island, which caters to the 1% of the 1%.
We've got some partiers on this boat. So again, this is the Bayside Marina. I'm going to stand up a minute. Take a look at the marina. And it looks like they are expanding right here. This is where Scott and I first came for the Miami Boat Show back in 2008, I think. No, 16. And it was a mess of a show, but this is downtown Miami.
The tour showcases the opulent mansions of Miami Beach, a testament to the lavish lives of the rich and famous, making it a prime choice for those interested in the luxury mansions of Miami Beach. The 90-minute boat tour is designed to provide a serene and comprehensive sightseeing experience. Whether you choose to enjoy the journey from the climate-controlled comfort of the yacht's main level, or prefer the breezy open-air ambience of the top level like we did, you're guaranteed to have a memorable time. This cruise is the perfect escape for those looking to relax and soak in the scenic beauty of Miami's waterfront and its architectural marvels, making it a must-do for tourists and locals alike. As you glide along the bay, the knowledgeable guides will share fascinating insights in both English and Spanish, making it an inclusive experience for all. The tour is not just a sightseeing adventure, but a deep dive into the heart of Miami's cultural and architectural heritage. It's an ideal way to experience the Miami skyline and landmarks, offering insights into the architectural marvels Miami boasts. We cruise past Fisher Island, a wholly self-sufficient island catering to the privacy needs of celebrities like Justin Bieber, Julia Roberts, and Beyonce. And across the MacArthur Causeway, we passed Star, Palm, and Hibiscus Islands, home to the likes of Gloria Estefan, Antonio Banderas, and the doctor who invented Viagra. In addition, we cruised around Flagler Memorial Island, which was man-made in 1913 in tribute to Henry Flagler, who first brought the railroad to Florida and opened the state up to the rest of the East Coast.
was fun.
Oh yeah.
We
Another check box off the list.
So we did the Bayside cruise. It's an hour and a half long. It takes you around Fisher Island by the
Biscayne
port.
Bay.
Yeah, Biscayne Bay went by. And then we looked at some of the famous houses, lots of celebrities, all the boats that are anchored and partying, and it was pretty packed, but we took the train down here, and
A lot more places to do day cruising than
Yeah.
up in Fort Lauderdale.
I think so. There's a lot more water space.
Yeah.
So you see, you know, whereas the Fort Lauderdale, we just have the river.
Yeah.
So that was fun. And now we are headed back to grab our Bright Line train. We bought a first class ticket. It's always nice to be in the premium area, and we're rushing to catch our train. So another good experience in Miami. We just do not come down here often enough. Hope you liked this video, and if you did,
Give it a thumbs up.
give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. We've got lots of great tours coming up from the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show.
Comment down below.
And we'll see you next week. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah.